Hello everyone, ready to dive in? Here's how to sign in to WeLive. You have downloaded WeLive, created your account, and now it's time to step into a world of live video chats, new friends, and endless fun. But wait, how do you sign in? No worries, I have got you covered. Tap that WeLive icon on your phone and let's get started. As soon as the app launches, you will see the sign in screen waiting for you. WeLive keeps things fast and simple. You have three easy ways to log in: Google account, quick, secure, and hassle free. Tap continue with Google and select your account. Already in Facebook? Just tap continue with Facebook and you are in. For phone number, enter your number. Get a verification code. First time signing in on this device, the app might ask for camera access so you can video chat with people worldwide. Microphone access because great conversations start with great audio. Location access optional. Want to connect with people nearby? Enable this feature for local matches. Congratulations, you are in. Now it's time to swipe through profiles and start video chats. Join live rooms and meet people instantly. Make friends, have fun, and enjoy the experience. So what are you waiting for? Sign in now and start your WeLive adventure. Thank you for watching. Smash that like button, hit subscribe and share it.